Hey Brasilingos! We are in the month of December, which means it is Christmas time, my favorite time of the year. And what better way to study English or Portuguese this month than with Christmas music? So as a general rule, Christmas music seems to be much bigger of a deal in English than it is in Portuguese. We have so much more variety of English songs than Portuguese songs. However, there are plenty of original Portuguese songs as well as songs that have been adapted from English to Portuguese using the same tune. So those are the ones we're going to focus on today. I'm going to give you 5 songs which have the same tunes in English and in Portuguese. You ready? Let's go! First up, we have a classic, Jingle Bells. The name in English is Jingle Bells. Everybody knows this one. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Okay, in Portuguese, it is Sino de Belém, or I've also seen it called Bate o Sino, or Bate o Sino Pequenino. So just depends who is naming it. It can go by any of those 3 titles. Bate o Sino Pequenino, Sino de Belém. Okay, so that's number 1 on our list. Jingle Bells, Bate o Sino, or Sino de Belém. Next up, we have the song Happy Christmas. It's spelled Happy Xmas, or the other name it goes by is War is Over. War is over. War is over. And in Portuguese, the name is Então é Natal. Então é Natal. The third song on our list is another traditional classic song. In English, it is Silent Night. Silent night, holy night. In Portuguese, it's Noite Feliz. Noite Feliz. Noite Feliz. The fourth song on our list is a bit more modern than Silent Night, and it is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Santa Claus is coming to town. In Portuguese, it's Vem chegando Natal. Vem chegando Natal. Santa Claus is coming to town. Vem chegando Natal. Got it? The words are completely different translated in these 2 songs. The last song on the list is Let It Snow. Again, so common, so popular. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Okay? In Portuguese, it's Vai nevar. Vai nevar, vai nevar, vai nevar. So there you have it. 5 Christmas songs to practice your English or Portuguese this holiday season. So to summarize, the 5 songs are Jingle Bells, or Sino de Belém, Bate o Sino. Happy Christmas, War is Over, in Portuguese, Então é Natal. Silent Night, Noite Feliz. Santa Claus is Coming to Town, Vem chegando Natal. And Let It Snow, Vai nevar. Alright guys, if you have any other favorite Christmas songs in either English or Portuguese, leave them down in the comments. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel to make sure that you don't miss any notifications. And if you'd like to get a new word of the day in English and Portuguese, make sure you're following our Instagram account at officialbrasilingo. I'll see you guys in our next video. Ciao, ciao!